Wobb review, tutorial, and demo. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Wobb and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to Wobb.ai. And if you haven't signed up for Wobb yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Wobb, it is an influencer marketing platform that connects brands with influencers in their specific industries for authentic and impactful collaborations, in which this platform offers various features and benefits including search and filtering, detailed influencer profiles, campaign management, in-depth analytics, integrated payment system, and team access and collaboration. And this platform aims to simplify influencer marketing by providing a one-stop solution for finding, managing, and collaborating with influencers, making it easier for brands to build direct-to-consumer relationships and grow their network. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail. By simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you some of the plans that they offer, including the startup plan, growth, and unlimited plan. And from here, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. And to sign up, you can click the sign up button below on any plan that you choose, or alternatively, you can click the sign up button on the top right corner. Then from here, the next thing that you need to do to create your account is by simply entering all of this required information such as your full name, email address, phone number, and password. Or you could also sign up using your Google account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the dashboard looks like of Wobb. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating to appear campaign, messaging, influencer discovery, and many more. And as you can see, I'm currently in the influencer discovery. And from here, you can simply choose or search for a specific influencer for any platform such as on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. And which from here, it will show you the list of influencers, including the number of their followers and also their engagement rate. So for instance, on the search bar, I'm going to search Bruno Mars. And as you can see below the result, it will show us the influencer or artist that we're looking for, including the number of their followers and other details. And by simply clicking on this influencer, it will show us on the right side panel the contact details of this influencer. But we must have an upgrade account in order to view all of this information. And if you also want to view the full report, you can click this button right here. And it will show you the compilation of all of this contact info and report of this influencer. But you also must have an upgrade account to do so. And now going back in here, if you're also looking for a specific kind of influencer, aside from the search bar, you could also use the filter by option on the left side panel of it. If you're looking for a specific influencer that has a number of followers ranging, for instance, I'm going to enter here 10,000 to 50,000 followers. And aside from that, you could also set the engagement rate like this one in here, and also the average reels play, the location of influencer. So for instance, I'm going to select here or enter here United States. And below here, you could also select the location of the audience, the language of the influencer, the partnership. So for instance, under this partnership, I'm going to enter the brand Calvin Klein. And also below here, you could also select the influencer interest. For instance, we have here television and film, music, shopping and retail, and many more. And aside from that, below, you could also set up the gender of the influencer that you're looking for, and even the gender of their audience. And aside from that, below here, you could also set other details, including the age, lookalikes, bio, keywords, contact info, and many more. But if you're now done setting up the filter of the influencer that you're looking for, to proceed, just click the apply button below here. And after that, it will show you the result on the right side panel. So as you can see here, based on the result, it will show us that we have at least 10 selected of influencer that has the details that we're looking for based on the filter that we just input, including their number of followers that has 10,000, to 50,000 followers, their gender, which is all female, and also the country of origin, which is on United States. However, if you want to view their other contact details and other personal info, you can do so by simply clicking their profile, but you must have an upgrade account in order to view their other details. And any of these plan can do so, such as Startup Plan, Growth, and Unlimited Plan. Now going back in here, you could also invite a specific influencer by simply clicking this invite button right here. And on this pop-up window, it will show us some of the things that we need to consider before inviting an influencer, including the templates, and also by selecting the campaign, the reply to, or their email ID. And after that, just proceed by clicking the send button below here in order to send an invite to specific influencer regarding your campaign. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the options including this campaign, in which it will serve as the purpose of streamlining the process of creating and managing influencer marketing campaigns. And from here, you can track all of your active campaign, your draft, under review, pause, close, and private campaign, in which it also offers a step-by-step guide to create campaign briefs, set campaign goals, expectations, and budget, and call for influencer applications. And aside from this campaign option, you could also navigate on the left side panel, this messaging, by simply clicking on it. From here, it will show you the list of your conversation from other influencer, but as you can see, there are no currently chats found since I have no messages from other influencer. And now, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel, this reporting option, and analytics, in which it will help you to provide detailed insights and data analysis to support informed decision-making and improve project progress. And from here, you could also choose to track influencers via username or their post URL. And you could also track influencer by manually. And after that, you can click Generate Report in order to show all of the data analysis and detailed insight of a specific influencer. While under this transactions option on the left side panel, it will help you to manage payments, invoices, and ensure transparent and timely transactions with influencers. And aside from that, you could also navigate the settings option, in which from here, it will allow you to customize and manage your account settings. And from here, you could also navigate Invite Team, your Wobb dashboard, integration, manage subscription, your plan, your Wobb wallet, and even change the language and currency. And by clicking the integrations option, from here, it will show you some of the application or platform that you can integrate using this Wobb platform. And aside from that, you could also navigate the notifications, in which it will allow you to receive alerts and updates about your account and the platform. And aside from that, from here, you will get notified regarding your account updates, such as new follower alerts, campaign updates, or platform updates. So basically, the main purpose of this platform is to streamline the influencer marketing process by providing a one-stop solution for finding, managing, and collaborating with influencers. However, from here, in order to post a campaign, you must have an upgrade account in order to do so. So that is just basically how you can use Wobb. Thank you.